how to use the map and waypoints on PC in darkest days. Don't get lost in the wasteland. This guide shows you how to master the map and waypoints in darkest days on PC. Press the M key to open your world map. On PC, you can use a mouse wheel to zoom in for mission details or zoom out to see the different danger area on the region. Found a loot-heavy building, right-click anywhere on the map and set a custom waypoint. A blue beam will appear in your game world and on your compass, making it easy to navigate without constantly checking the menu. Look for radio tower icons. Once discovered, you can click them and pay a small fee to fast travel. It's the quickest way to get across the map on PC and avoid unnecessary zombie encounters. You now know the way. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days navigation tips.